Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your domain is not connected to Hostinger. So the first thing that we need to do is simply open up Hostinger and log into your account. And you go down to the Domains tab, and then click on Domains in the top menu, and then select your domain. Then choose the domain showing the connection issue. Check name servers. Make sure your domain uses Hostinger's name servers. So for example, these are the ones that your domain uses. So if you have a custom name, you should change it to this one so that Hostinger can identify them. And then update the name servers if needed. If not correct, update them from your domain's registered dashboard. And then you wait for the propagation. DNS updates can take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully connect. And then check website status. After waiting, refresh your site and to see if it's connected. And that is it. That is how you fix your domain is not connected to your Hostinger. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.